Hi all. Today we'll see how to install latest Krita version on Windows 11. Open any one of your favorite browser. Just type here install Krita. So here if you scroll down, so the official website it will open. Just open this link. Official website it will open. So this is the latest version of 5.3.3 Windows 11. Just click on this installer option. So it will download the package. It won't take much time, so it's almost 158 MB. It's done guys, just I'm trying to open. It's completed guys, so just click on double click here. In the middle it will ask for your permissions, just click on yes. You just click on run. It's installing the required packages for installation. Click on English and proceed further here. Just click on next and accept the terms and condition here, and just click on next. So this is where the folder it is going to install Krita. So I'm going to select on the D drive because I don't want to install on C drive. D tools. Just I'm selecting the orange here. Click on next. So this is the components is going to install. I'm going to click on default integrations. Just click on I agree and just click on next. Create the check. If you uncheck this icon, the desktop icon won't be visible. Proceed with default configurations.
బాటిల్ లేదన్నా ఒకటి కూడా
That's all guys, just click on finish here. Just click on Krita here. Just the Krita will be open. Yeah, that's all guys, it's open. I hope